Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. If you want to see me look about the place, because me look if Jason come. Anyways, to make it quick, I've been a bad girl. Me need to get the prank out of the way today because me don't want Jason to have me up and say nothing. If we feel away with what me I do, and say nothing to me. Anyways, I'm telling you what me I do. I don't know Jason cut him here. Go over to his YouTube channel to watch that. I love it. I really love it. It make him look handsome, him look cute. I fall in love with him all over again. But because me know me gonna prank him, so me not like it, and him did already get my reaction and know so me like it, me start like drop one and two hint like me and say you know, like me not really like it. You guys saw my reaction. If you watch the video on his channel, on see my reaction, sister, me love it. And if you're not watch it yet, wanna go and go watch it. So him gone in a one pharmacy. When him come back, me go just make it look like me I start off one vlog. You know, me just gonna say some things. Forget him reaction. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the vlog. Guess what Jason did? Come and show them. This is the new razor blade. Him don't even look like a razor blade. Him look like a Jason.
Oh, thanks for having me. You buy your juice here?
Thank you, baby.
I'm using my money buy it.
When your mother tell you go shop, you never used to care about your mother change?
Yeah, but you know my mother.
Wow, but if you still have the same principle.
But me I go be your husband, so.
Wow. Anyways, welcome the new Jason to the vlog. Keep on.
Yeah. You want to
Thanks though. But yeah. So if you guys didn't watch it on his channel, no one has seen him. Oh, I have one house here. So babe, tell them what in Viglia for trim your hair. Why you cut it?
I woke up and I felt like I needed a change and I trimmed my hair. Nothing else.
And you like it?
I love it.
So how often you plan to go to the barber? Like now that you're not used to having bald head, like
it's
you're
not
not alright.
A low cut.
Low cut, sorry. Right,
every
so
2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks you can go to the barber? So when you have low cut hair, like how often you wash it?
Every day.
Oh, you wash it every day now? So you wash it since you trim?
Yeah, I mess up my sponging.
Okay. Okay. Well, I don't know. I feel like because it is already on YouTube, we might just continue to put do my follow-up reaction on YouTube. Probably shouldn't lie, and it already mess up things because now everybody feel like I love it because it's already on your channel, but me just never did want to make you feel away because me did see the camera on, and me never did want to me just never did want to bust your bubble like, babe, why you do it? Like the reaction I did really want to give, me not give it because me never did want you to feel away. Somebody just pretend like me love it, and I like me necessarily, and I like me not really like it, but me not really love it. Like me not used to like that, like you just look bald head, like no.
Well, I so. Basically, I said to me, say you don't like it.
I don't really like it, but me I try to get used to it. Hence why, like when you even kiss me yesterday, me I say, me don't ever feel away. Me don't ever feel away with what me did I say, but me I say, me don't know if me really feel that kiss there. So I don't know, because I know you feel away and say nothing to me.
Well, I understand what you say, I can't fight you for how you feel, but what we can say is, it done cut already.
I mean, you said when I go bash me because I probably shouldn't lie, but
Yeah,
all
so
I would
why
do
you
it-
never just say how you feel?
No, babe, I never did I go do that. I don't want you to feel in a way like my sister you genuinely just did want to surprise me, and I just never want you to feel in a way.
Say they are pretend for me vlog. We are pretend now.
I remember one time you said something to me about honesty, and not every time you can be honest.
Yeah, I know I miss so.
Yeah, I guess I understand why you say so now.
No, you take it the wrong way because you totally could have tell me if you feel that way about it.
Just it's not. You see, you don't understand, babe. You really don't understand, and that's why I say mood. That's why to me mention up this in my vlog now. Me not gonna make my vlog be all about this, but me just happy to me mention up what people can just listen to what me say and understand, even if you not understand. And you can just comment in the comment section and tell me if what me do bad. Like me just never didn't want to hurt your feelings, so me never want to hurt your feelings, babe. And me just know you stay like this. Me love you with your long hair and sometimes I can't even look in your face.
Looking at my face and tell me say you don't like it.
Babe, I don't like it. I don't.
I like it.
Yeah, you stare me down. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not. No.
Rate it out of 10 then, be honest.
4.
No. That's how you feel.
Yeah. But the fact that you like it, watch out. Money wet up. Me you know. Phone dropping up, see you know.
Well, me can't. How you feel how you feel. You never have to pretend for me vlog though, but at the same time it done cut already. And I like I can pace and back here. I'm a man.
But I have a suggestion.
What's your suggestion?
I would say don't trim back after this. Make that be your last trim, like make the hair grow back, and then maybe go and twine it round with beeswax until it grow up.
Twine it round with beeswax?
Yeah, like when we used to do it, like twine it and when it did short, and then make it grow up.
No, me feel like me don't want to go through that all over again.
I don't love it.
Well, maybe I have to get used to it.
You know, look cute like what you used to look like. Even when you walk past me, I not get that. Like home would I just feel.
So me here used to turn you on.
Not necessarily, but it contributed to how I, you know,
How you what?
how mood I normally feel when I see you. And guys, please don't judge me. I'm being honest.
You understand, say me here never have nothing to do with none of our interactions ever. Like my hand do the touching, my mouth do the kissing, me have my stick for the sex part. So exactly what you are talking about.
Baby, physical appearance turned me on.
Babe, it cut and I can't do nothing about it. That's fine. If have to find out, I can't do nothing about it now.
I can't even look in your face.
You can't look in my face. Oh. Well, get somebody else looking at my face then.
But regardless of your ear, I can't do nothing about it.
It's not about even say my hair. It cut already.
But why you make such a decision and not ask me?
So I'm supposed to ask if it's your mirror?
No.
When you braid your hair, you ask me?
That's true, but why you never tell me?
It was a surprise. I don't like spoiling surprises. I like surprises.
You genuinely like it, babe?
I love
Or
it.
you capping?
Me? I don't need to pretend. I love how I look and I feel how I look fresh.
I guess then. There's nothing we can do about it, guys, but I just feel like I need to be honest with him and honest with Uno since the video is already on YouTube, and it was my bad, so I'm sorry about that. Babe, I'm sorry for lie to you, for make you feel like I like you, but just the fact that I just be mature enough to come and apologize to you.
You weren't mature when you did lie about it in the first place, so.
I wasn't. But now at least you can just clap me for do the right
Clap
thing.
you? What am I supposed to clap you for?
Doing the right thing now. Me could have just keep on pretend and just I say it behind you and I mumble say me not like it.
Listen, I'm not a parent yet. I know your parent will clap you when you're like that, like something like that. But what I can do is be factual and know say, I love it. I'm feel good with it. Yes, I say, and you will love it because this is how you met me. That are the key thing I'm gonna hear say, oh no, you didn't meet me with here. You met me that
but
way.
I fell in love.
You fell in love with me before the here, and that is a fact. You didn't meet me with here, and you can't say nothing for overthrow that.
But,
you didn't meet me with here.
but when I met you,
What?
you had it in your mind to grow your hair.
Having it in my mind, what does that
just
change?
hold the
Are
faith
you
with you
silly?
till the hair grow.
Just shut up. Are you silly? Have it in my mind.
You never did a plan for grey hair
Babe,
when we meet?
when me and meet, babe, that was the furthest thing from my mind. I've never thought about growing my hair. We did about 3 years before I start growing my hair. 2 to 3 years before I start growing. Just shut up. That'd be nice.
You see, I can't. That's the thing why I never do want to say that. You can't. You can't. You don't love honesty.
No, I love honesty, but I don't like stupidity. That way I say,
How am I being stupid?
Nah, babe, stupidity, babe, the verb, the action of being stupid.
But how am I being stupid?
Babe, you ever said to me, say you fell in love with the thought of me growing my hair. Am I silly? The man when you talk to before me never see one of me know I've never grown a hair. So what you try to put forward to me now?
Because I did already have the mind frame so them now go grow it.
Something must up because this not sound like you and it doesn't make no sense. Normally it makes sense. This don't make none. Listen, you cut already and I can't do nothing about it now.
Okay.
If I didn't know see your feels but about cutting the hair before, would that actually have a reasoning video. But I never did cut it for you mainly, I cut it for myself. It was time for a change and the change come. So if you don't love it, you have to go for love it or you know what to do.
What am I supposed
You know,
to
go find a man with all hair. That you need to do.
So you're not willing to save me and grow back your hair?
See, what?
You're not willing to grow back
Listen,
your hair
unless
to save
my
the
name is
relationship?
my name is Samson, I can't do nothing with me here for fix by the relationship.
You remember this morning?
Yeah.
My sister said, just remind her of Solomon. So me I said, what Solomon do? Like why Jesus would remind you? And she said, behind cutting ear, ask Jesus where story say. So me I said, Samson? She said, oh yeah. But yeah, at least me can smell through the pain where you cause me.
Oh, because of pain.
But
yeah. With so many things in our life worry about, you get pain right here.
anyways, I hear head. Not the biggest part. You can't tell if it with the one head. Anyways, it's a prank. It is a prank, babe. I'm not lying. Everything when I say I'm gonna make
don't
it up.
disbelieve it, babe, because it sounded so silly. It had to be something silly.
So I couldn't not like it. But
Yep.
I feel like it.
Man, there's so much years. I tell you already, enough time. I not have to look on you to know when you lie. I not have to look on you to know how you feel. I just feel it. If you never like it, so I turn off the camera. Even if you did have to pretend this, babe, which me highly doubt, because I know my girl. If you did pretend, when I turn off the camera, that's a babe. If you did even have a little piece of you say you don't like it, that's a babe, you know, so you're kind of ugly though, and it whole would have laugh about it.
Yeah, I'm that honest.
When we go with bed, for the before we go bed in the night, the whole evening just sing upon say, babe, you know, so that part I kind of, you just say something, you said nothing at all.
I think you're gonna say something
In the day, when, this morning, you don't say nothing at all.
Now what me did I through
when
me know me
Siri
want
did
to
I talk
do
to
it.
you about the Solomon or sitting, you know, so get it, no, you're gonna just get up and
Yeah,
just
me
get
know, but me did I drop in. Cause remember even when you kiss me yesterday, me I tell her say, me don't know if me I feel that kiss
you
there.
joke around all the time. It doesn't bother me.
I'm a jokester. Wait, joke.
But if you never listen,
Joker.
if you never did love it, and I feel like you actually never love it, it'll probably do a little bit to my confidence to be like, you know, say babe, no love it. But you know,
I really love it, baby.
I am
so
unfazed, baby, because I know you love it.
I love it.
A long time you want me look so.
I'm falling in love with it all over again.
Saying you love me back there, that means
No,
you fall out.
No.
Now let's flip the script. You fall dead out.
Alright, wrong choice of word.
No, me don't want to hear that.
But my babe.
No, babe, me.
Babe, I love it. I love it. And like, let me tell you now, me always like For wedding, I always a picture Jason with him hair plait. So now, me if I put it back in my head again, I say, alright, Jason, I'm so no ear. Like, me just have it in my head, me I say, how am I gonna look?
Let me give you an opinion though.
Yeah.
My opinion, you know.
Yeah.
My opinion.
Yeah.
Me, I'm have to say it because I just want to make sure I stand up for my opinion. You know, say, when you have a wedding and you sit down all the time, I try like visualize too much of what will happen, it kind of spoil the day. Because if it happen like what you think, you already expected it. I always tell you, say, I love surprises. I like being surprised. So you see, I don't sit down and think about you, you're looking at it just all know, you know, the one thing I tell you, I know you go ball. And I might cry too. I tell you that.
Might you go and cry? I don't know.
I don't know. But I don't sit down.
it.
No, not wrong. This is what I say. I say
Yeah.
it's wrong or right. It's not wrong or right. I said it's my opinion. If I think about it too much, I'm going to be right when I actually think, knowing something know you. I don't want to be right, but I'm going to think because I'm going to expect everything. I want my day to be so special where it's just once in a blue moon lifetime opportunity. So we don't overlook nosy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You're gonna look so good. This is the end of the video. I'm not lying, you know. I can't believe me really looking at Jesse and say, babe, I don't love it. Boy, you guys, what you think me do good with the straight face, my wall straight face?
One look a bit like
Was it convincing, or uno did it obviously me did a lie to Jason? Because uno know not all them know about it. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.